Hello and welcome back to a new video from La WEBA. Today we will teach you something very important: how to download any application on your new iPhone. In this case we have the iPhone 16e. We already made many tutorials with it. For example, we have shown how to translate conversations in real time. That is useful if you travel to a country where you don't know the language. All these tutorials are for people who are new to iPhone. Now let us show you how to download any application. On Android, we have the Play Store, as you remember. It has the gold symbol and all of that. But on iPhone, it is almost the same idea, but the name and the icon are different. The iPhone application is called App Store or Apple Store. It has the letter A as icon. Let us open the App Store. Here we can download many things. We can download games like Clash Royale or Roblox. We can also explore many categories: today, games, apps, arcade, all of that. We can also use the search bar like on Android. Now let us download Clash Royale. We will click on it, and when you are new, the phone shows your email. I covered mine for security, of course, and we click on install. The installation starts. The first time on iPhone, it will ask for the iCloud password. You enter the password and that is all. Now the game is going to be downloaded and we go to home screen. We will see the game is loading. On iPhone, notifications are different. It looks very clean. We can pause the download pressing the icon. We see the pause symbol on it. We can continuing pressing it again. We can also cancel the download holding the icon, and then we are going to press cancel download. That stops everything. In this case, I will not continue the download. I will cancel it completely, and that's it. That was for today's tutorial. I hope this tutorial helps you a lot, and if it helps you, please give us a like, comment and share this video. That is going to help me a lot to reach more people. Without anything else to say, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.